Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. So in this video, we will talk about like how we can export our video and how we can export in different formats. Like what will be the resolution and what will be the format and what will be the codec. So let's start this video. So first of all, I move my video to the timeline and let's see, for example, this is the final video. Edited this video and now I want to export this video. There is really a different scenario in Adobe Premiere and in After Effects, because in After Effects we have to enter, we have to command Control M and our video will go towards the queue, render queue, and after that we will select our path and the rendering will start. But over there, if this video is final, we have to click on the export button. And then if you want to again rename your video, then you have to click on over there, and now you have to name your video. For example, it's practice video 1. And after that, you have to select where you want to export. So you have to choose your folder where you want to save your video. You just have to click on that folder icon. When you click on that button, you will get the directory where you want to save. So after finding that folder or after selecting that folder, you just have to click on select folder. After that, you have to choose the resolution, like you want in 480 pixels or you want to export it